guys, hello kids. Today we are going to unbox a make block mTiny coding kit. So this is for 14 years old and above. However, kids as young as preschool, like 5 years old, 6 years old, you can actually use this one. This is a very good coding kit. So this includes computational thinking, tapped code, cute and changeable looks, screen free. So let's see what's inside. All right, let's see. So this is not paid. Are you guys excited? Me too. I'm excited to unbox this. There you go. Alright, let's see. Oh, okay. Oh. So there's, wow, 2 boxes. There's another box inside. Wow, we just need to be careful. Alright, it says in the box this includes mTiny rechargeable. We have top 10 controller, 36 instructional cards, 24 themed map blocks, storybook, game cards, and decoration accessories. So we'll see what's inside. So first, let's have this small box first. All right. Oh wow, this is so cute. Here you go, guys. Look, this is the mTiny. Here, so cute. mTiny. We have the top 10 controller, top 10 controllers, should I say. It has a charger. What do you call this one? Okay, let's figure this out. So it has a manual as well. mTiny manual. Oh, that's it. This is in the box. Okay, let me just put this back here. And here you go, there. So we have the mTiny over here, so cute. Later we're going to make this move. The second box over here, we have, oops, the other way, Mr. Beast the other way, so make block. Oh wow. So we have here the decoration. Decoration includes this. Right. Decoration to make our mTiny look cute. Right. Here. Okay. So why don't we try one to make our block cute. See? Isn't it so cute? Alright. Let's do that later. So that's our decorations. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, let me see my list first. So this is our storybook. Yeah, it's a storybook. It has stories at the back. Ooh, you can make a piano. We have this, that storybook. Okay, let me just do this first here. And this is there's another plastic here. Oh, alright. So this is just here, 36 instructional cards. Okay, so these are actually action cards. Oopsie. That we can use. So guys, this is all for coding. No, we need these codes right here in order for the mTiny to move. So we will learn how to use them soon. So just now I'm just going to show you what's inside the box. And another guide. So I think this is the book for activities that we can use for our mTiny. Right, there we go. We have it here. Alright. And these are, yeah, I think these are all the 24 themed map blocks. So it's like a puzzle. So you can actually make a village out of it. And at the back, you also have different tasks that you can use. So as I said a while ago, you can arrange all of these blocks as a map block for the mTiny to use. Yeah, here's another set. So all in all, we have like 24 themed map blocks and 36 instructional cards. Here, another set. So according to the one I've read about this mTiny blocks or mTiny coding kit, this is really good for kids because they don't need to use computers, screenless. All they need to do is to figure out how to code or how to make commands for the mTiny to move. Alright, so I'll just put this back in here. Alright, how about let's see if we can make this move. Okay, so it says here on and off. There's a small knob here. So this is the cable for this if this mTiny is out of battery or low bat. Let's see. And this is the top controller. So we have here the power button. This is the left, right, and pause, stop, and pause. Okay, let me try it. Okay, so it turns blue. So I press the power button, it turns blue. And let me pair this to our mTiny, which is I need to turn it on first. Yeah. Alright, it says hi. Isn't it so cute? So this controller is actually sensor as well. Alright, so let's see. Alright, let me just hi. Okay, there is already activated. See, by using this controller I can already move it backward, move forward, left, right. Okay, look at the eyes, it's so cute. There. and here. Others, they have like this too. I don't know, but it's not moving yet. We'll see, what does it say? Oh, right, so cute. So there, already paired. So we have different task cards or action cards that we can use for the mTiny to follow. So all we need to do is to arrange all the codes in order for the mTiny to move. So there, that's our unboxing of our mTiny coding kit. It's so cute. There you go. There. Nice, nice. Let's see. Let's try to tap this. Ooh, what does it say? Okay, so there is a sensor here, and if I'm going to tap this one onto the card, look what will happen to our mTiny. See? See? Okay. All right. So cute. So let's say camera. Oh. All right. Also, let's try this. There is a piano card here, so you just need to tap it. Tap your controller. So there. So this is a dog. If you're going to tap this controller over here, your mTiny will do the command. It's so cute, right? Okay, let's try to make a song. Let's try this one. Okay. Okay. Alright, so that's it. So cute. And we can do a lot of things with our mTiny. Right, so that is just an example on what we can do. So this is really nice for a kid, as I was saying, because you don't need a computer. All you need to do is to use your critical thinking and creativity as well. So there you go, guys. I will be using this mTiny coding kit in my class starting next week. So I'm going to introduce this, and soon I will be showing you some tasks for our mTiny to do. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day, everyone. This is Mr. B. See you next time. Bye-bye. dizzy. It's dizzy. There.